What's going on, guys? It's your boy Dom coming back to you with another video. And today I'm going to be going over L7 trade. If you guys haven't had an opportunity to look at this, then I'm giving you the full presentation today. Very simple to use, very transparent, easy to understand. If you want to check this out, the link will be in the description below the video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, definitely subscribe, hit that notification bell, get all the updates and all the videos that I will be doing going forward. And if you like the content that I'm giving to you, smash that like button. I really appreciate it. At the end of the day, it's free to do. You don't have to pay money for it. All right, but I got to give you that disclaimer. I'm not your financial advisor. I can't tell you what to do or where to put your money or how to spend your money. I never will I. But, we all know crypto's risky. Anything that you get into online is never a guarantee. It's just you may get some, you may get all of your profits, whatever. It just depends on what it is that you do on any platform that you get into, guys. So I just want to make that very, very clear. Results are not typical. Everybody's going to have different results because it's going to be based on how hard you work or what you got going on in the background. Period. End of discussion. But let's dive right on into L7 trade. Now, I just want to get this out before I start really going over this particular platform because I know you've probably seen videos about this platform or people talking about this platform, and they make it seem like it's hard, or they make it seem like you can't get into this or whatever because every platform that they get in is a gold mine and you make money with it. All right, so this platform is pretty straightforward. It's very simple to use. I mean, I haven't had any issues with it. I've been executing trades. I've been in it since Friday. I got in Friday afternoon, and ever since then, I've been executing trades like clockworks. I haven't had any problems. There's there, it's very easy to use. So let me get in and show you how simple it is to use, and then I'll talk about the other stuff going forward, later on in the video. All right. Now, if you want to get started with this platform, I'll leave a link in the description below. You can come over here and check it out if you want to get started. If not, then that's okay too. But still follow my videos, still follow what I got going on because I have several different platforms that I'm in. As you guys, some of my, as you subscribe, all my subscribers know, I have several different platforms that I do that's earning me a consistent passive income. That's what my channel is about, all about passive income. So that's what I'm going to bring you today. Another gem, another hidden another hidden passive income platform that you can add to your portfolio if you choose to. All right, now here's what you do on this particular platform before I get into all of the buttons up here and all of that, whatever. So this is how simple this is. So basically what you're going to do when you come into this platform after you load up your Bitcoin. I don't have any Bitcoin right here because I just executed a trade not too long ago. Okay, I should have done it on camera, but I will show you that trade that I executed for the non-believers because they might just say I'm just doing this to be get referral money or whatever. But I'm going to show you the trade that I executed. Okay, and I'm gonna show you all the trades that I've executed since I've been in this platform since Friday. And the reason why I'm just now bringing this platform to you is because I wanted to make sure everything was working and everything was going on before I brought it to you guys. Okay, so now this is how easy this is. So you see right here where it says BTC to USD, it says top bid 11,265.90, and then the lowest ask is 10,597. Okay, so basically what this is an arbitraging. Okay, you're doing arbitraging. You're basically buying crypto from one exchange at a lower price and you're selling it on another exchange for a higher price. Okay, that's just how the game works with arbitraging because the currency may be worth more in one location and it may be worth less in another location around the world. Okay, and I'll not saying location but around the world. Okay, so you have all these different exchanges that you can, pretty much pick from or go through. But this makes it very simple for you to get the best deal that's going out there right now. So the 11,265.90, and this thing does update, every couple of minutes or so. So basically all you have to do is scroll down here and find that 11,12.90, which is already clicked. I went ahead and done it before the video started, so that way we'll have a little bit more transparency and we can get right through it, and we don't have to look through all the numbers. So the 11,265.90 is already clicked. The lowest ask is 10,597. So as you seen, it just uploaded. So 11,272 now. All right. And then the lowest asking price is 10,597. So you basically scroll down here, you find the lowest amount, and then you click on it. So you click, so once you, the one in red, which is going to be on your left side of the screen, is going to be the one you're going to be looking for. So when you see the top bid, remember the left side, and then you have your right side. This is gonna be the top bid. This is gonna be the lowest bid. So you come through and you're gonna scroll through. You're gonna find the top bid, and then you click on that top bid. This is what Bitcoin is trading for right now on that particular exchange. Then on this exchange, it's going for 10,597.09. Okay, then you click on that. So what that's basically going to do is you're going to be selling whatever amount of Bitcoin you have on your, on your platform, or on in your back office. You're going to be selling that Bitcoin for a cheaper price, and then, or for for a higher price. Well, excuse me, sorry, messing up today, my bad. You're going to be selling your Bitcoin for buying it at a lower price, and you're going to be selling it for a higher price. Excuse me. I'm just, kind of lost for words today. So it's been a long day for me. So excuse me how I explain that. Don't bash me for that. But so you're going to buy it low, and then you're going to sell it high. Okay. So roughly you're going to get about, 1% per day or per trade. So you can execute at least about 5, maybe 6 trades a day, depending on how your strategy is set up. Okay. So I'm averaging about 4 to 5 trades a day. The platform is allowing me to do as far as with my sleep schedule and all of that. And the reason why I say that is because you can execute a trade every 4.5 hours. Okay. So you can do that manually and come in here and trade every 4.5 hours, and then you can execute it and do whatever you have to do, and just do this all day, all day, every day. Okay. And then you have your automatic trade that you can execute. But the only way you can do the automatic trade is if you get verified with the actual company, which would be like a KYC. You'd have to put in your passport, your driver's license, and give them your proof of residency, and then that way you'll get verified, and you'll be able to add more cryptocurrency to the platform, because as a pretty much a basic member, without you getting the KYC, you can only put a certain amount of Bitcoin in the platform. All right, so you can go back to the back office and you can click on all the buttons, and you can see what the minimum is and all of that. I'm not going to go over all that because you can do that yourself. You can just go over there and click on it, and you can see exactly what the maximum is you can put in there without being certified with the actual platform. All right, so what you can do is, once you get your funds added to the platform, you're gonna come over here. You're gonna do exactly what I told you to do earlier: top bid to your lowest bid, and you're gonna do those different trades. Now, once you do those trades, you're gonna get paid out. And how the company sustains their their cash flow is that they're gonna get paid a percentage off of every trade that you make. So that's going to keep the platform a little bit more sustainable, in my opinion, which is good. That's a good thing, because this platform could be around for a while. I don't have a crystal ball, so I can't say it's going to be around for years and years and years, but this is something that you can do passively. And they also have a compensation plan that you can get involved with. You can refer people to the actual platform, and every time they execute a trade, you'll get a small percentage of whatever they trade. Okay, so that's how their compensation plan. It's only one directed. It's no 10, 11, 15, 20 levels deep. It's just all your directs that you get into the platform. You can get a percentage off of what they put into the platform and trade on. Okay, so whatever they trade on is going to give you a percentage to yourself. Okay, so if you want to go out there and you want to recruit, you can get people to sign up with you. You can do that. But if you don't want to do that, you can do this 100% passively. You don't need anybody to sign up with you. You can just get in here, put your Bitcoin in, and go. But there is a minimum that you have to start with. It is $200. It is $200. That you have to put into the platform. That's the minimum you have to get in to get started with. And then once you get started with that, then you can start executing your trades on a daily basis. And then you can start growing and compounding. And then, if you do decide, once you get, build up a nice little passive income, and you do want to do the KYC feature, you can do the KYC feature, and then you'll be able to compound even more and get more ROI with the platform. But it's up to you. But you can just go in the back office and you can come click around and do all that. If you want to get involved with it and want to put it in, for the crypto people out here, it's very simple. You just click on a wallet. Once you click on a wallet, then it's going to give you a wallet address, and then you send the funds over. And it's super fast. It took about 10 minutes for me, for my Bitcoin to hit the platform. And as soon as it went in, I started executing my trades. Now, here's all the trades that I've been executing right here since I've been in the platform, and I got in this past Friday. And so these are all the platforms. All the trades that I've executed. 0.025 that I put it, that I have going in the platform right now. And then 0.0252711 is what I should be expecting to get back on the platform, with that particular trade that I made, because it's roughly doing about 1%. But it's very simple, guys. This thing is so easy. It doesn't make any sense how easy this is, and this gives you a kind of a different little opportunity to see what's going on, and do something different. I've never seen anything like this in my time online dealing with crypto. I know there's been a lot of different other platforms. They may have had something like this, but I've never seen anything like this. Okay, like how they have this thing particularly set up. So if you guys seen something like that, whatever, but I've been online for a while. I've never seen anything like this and how this thing is going on. So this is basically how it's rolling down. So since Friday, here's all my trades that's been going through. So you the 17th, 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 18th, 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 and then the 19th. Okay, guys. So I was executing trades. I was up, doing what I have to do. So every about 4.5 hours, you have to log back on and execute a trade. But if you want to do the automatic feature, yeah, you can by all means do that, but you have to get verified and all of that. And once you do get, and they do the automatic trade, they will take 10% of all of your, whatever your final profit is. Okay. So if you execute the highest the trades you can execute is 10. Okay. So that's pretty much like 2 days worth. So if you execute 10 trades, at the end of those trades, they're going to take 10% take 10% off of whatever that last final trade is. Okay. So whatever you compounded and in those trades, that's what they're going to take. Okay. So I'm not worried about that 10%. I'm good. I can manually put mine in. I can do it from my cell phone. I can do it on the go, so it doesn't really bother me, even if I'm out at the store, whatever, buying groceries, whatever, or, with my kids or whatever the case may be. I can still execute those trades, so it doesn't bother me to do it. And plus, it gives me something to do, give me something to look forward to, something to look at or whatever, and see, what my potential ROI is on the platform. So I'm good with it. Some of y'all may not have the time to do that. I have the time to do that because of all my other, passive income platforms that I have. I don't really have to just go check them, every 5 minutes, every 10 minutes. They just run. Then when I get back to the computer, I can just come back and look at them, or I can look at it on my phone or on my tablet or whatever. Or if I'm riding the car, I can pull it up. I can pull it up in the car as well, on the screen in the car. So I mean, it doesn't bother me. So that's just what I do. But guys, if you're interested in jumping into L7 trades, I'll leave a link in the description below. And all the other businesses that I'm in, or online passive income businesses that I'm in, guys. But I really appreciate it that you guys took the time to watch the video. I know this was a lengthy video. I didn't mean to go this long, but I just want to kind of just get everything out there for you and give you more transparency on how this thing goes. But you know what time it is, guys. It's your boy Dom coming back to you with this L trade video. Well, L7 trade video, excuse me. I'm out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Appreciate it. Thanks, and love you guys.